Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to convert a SketchUp file into a VRML file. So basically VRML actually stands for Virtual Reality Modeling Language, is a standard text-based file format ending with WRL or compressed as WRZ using the re- represent interactive 3D vector graphic, particularly for web browsers. So this was basically created in 1990s. It stores 3D object geometry, textures, lighting, animation. It is highly superseded by X3D. So basically, this is a type of file format that actually only uh, records the 3D object geometry, which is the surface that we have selected. So for this, what you have to do, it is not necessary for you to group the whole model. It can be free as it is right now. And after making sure that all the file over here is exploded, you have to go to file. Under file you have to select export. Under export you have to select 3D model. Under 3D model, you have to go down to VRML file, which is the .WRL file, and simply press on export. And within a few seconds, your WRL file will be exported. You can simply go to your location where you have exported your WRL file, and you can simply check it right over here that cadcomrade.wrl file is simply ready. So this is how you actually convert a SketchUp file into a WRL file. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it.